People are earning 50,000 rupees per month by making viral YouTube videos in just 30 minutes. This strategy is completely free, can be done on a mobile phone, and has very low competition right now. First, go to ChatGPT to write a short story. Ask it to act as the greatest storyteller in the world and write a short story on a character, like the Great Ashoka. Then ask it to create prompts for AI images based on the story. Step 2. Go to Leonardo.ai to create images for your story. Create free AI images using prompts given by ChatGPT. Step 3. Go to Layapix to convert these images into animations. For this, upload the images and see the magic. Step 4. Use 11 Labs to create amazing voiceover. Simply paste the story written by ChatGPT and click Generate to download voiceover. On the final step, download VN Video Editor on your mobile phone to create videos. Import the video and voiceover we just created. Create a video of 5 to 10 minutes with some captions and click Export. Post 2 to 3 videos every week, and you'll start seeing good results. Follow for more strategies and awesome tools. Part 2 of making $130 per day with Instagram Reels and 0 followers. First, go to YouTube and search weight loss tips. Now look for any informative video under 5 million views and copy the video URL. We will now create multiple Reels using this video in just one click. Go to video.ai and sign up using VPN. Click on Reels and paste the YouTube video link to create multiple Reels from this video in just one click. Next, go to ClickBank and search Alkaline weight loss supplement that pays $130 for single sale made with your link. Click on Promote and copy your affiliate link. Finally, go to Instagram, create a health and fitness page and paste your affiliate link in the bio. Start uploading 1 to 2 Reels per day to grow your page. If you get average 2,000 views per video, then you can easily make 30 sales in a month. Want more videos like this? Click follow and here is.
Here's how you can make $900 in 3 hours. Let's go. Make sure to save this because it's going to make your life super easy. First, go to textbroker.com, which will pay you for typing. Click on I write content and payment. They'll pay you $490 for $9,000 words. The average words a person speak is 110 to 150 words per minute. Now for the trick that's going to make your life super simple. Go to Google Docs, click on Tools, then click on Voice Typing. Then hit record. It will start typing every word that you say.
Discover the secret way to make money every day with Google Maps. Save this step-by-step guide for later. First, go to Google Maps and search for any business followed by the city name. You can do this for any business. Now set the filter type to at least 3-star. Now search for businesses which are not so popular and have very poor or less ratings. Note down their phone numbers on Google Sheets. Do this same process for 20 to 30 businesses every day. Now use my free script in the description below to sell your service to improve their Google ratings and bring more customers over call and WhatsApp. Now go to Fiverr and search Google Business Services. Select a cheap gig with good ratings which will do all the work for you. You'll charge more from the business and select a cheap gig to do all the work for you and make the remaining as profit. Want more videos like this? Click follow too.
One of the easiest ways to make money online right now is actually using AI and product reviews. You can literally get started right now without any experience and make over $100 a day. Start by going to trialjasper.com and click this button for a free account. Click on Documents, select Blog Post, and then start from workflow. In the blog post title, enter the product name followed by review and do generate. You'll be told to click this button a few times, but it's completely unique and plagiarism free. Head over to Google Sites. This is completely free by the way. Click blank, then add a text box and paste in the blog Jasper created. Now you place in your affiliate link to the product and click publish. Now all you need to do is repeat this process every day. I actually created a full course on how to take this to the next level with a step-by-step case study proving the concept at MMOalliance.com.